This is your arc. Yah is magnified. Coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Child Support Order No Longer Enforced and Driver License Reinstated. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so as you all know, this is going to be another testimony. As I've been telling y'all over and over and over again, this year is the year of show and prove, okay? That's it, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less. The year of show and prove. Like I tell y'all, a lot of people say they can help. A lot of people say they can do this and do that. But when you ask for that evidence or that proof that they can do it, it's nowhere near to be found, okay? So, as you all can see, right, this is a child support program, driver license vehicle registration reinstatement notice. But just because it say driver license vehicle reinstatement notice, it also go a little bit deeper to let you know about the support order. So let's read what it states. It states, blocked out the information when my ARC blocked out this information when he took the picture for me. It states, on January 30th, 2017, your driver license was suspended because you did not pay support as ordered or did not appear as ordered in a paternity or child support action. So basically stating that they suspended this license for the reasons above. Then it states, we told the Department of Motor Vehicles to reinstate your license because we are no longer enforcing the support order. Okay, so now his license has been suspended for 2 years, guys. Okay, we sent some documents off. They sent them this. Okay, so again, they are no longer enforcing the support order, and they are and he can go back and get his license back. Okay, he can now get his license reinstated. So I'm gonna have my ARC come on here and tell his testimony. But let's read the bottom line. It states, this notice applies only to suspensions for child support and does not affect suspensions for other reasons. So again, this was for a child support reason. They are no longer enforcing the order, and they are and he can now go and get his license back and everything after 2 years. So with that being said, I'm gonna have my ARC come on and tell his testimony. So without further ado, let's go there. Okay, as promised, I got my ARC on the phone. You ready, ARC?
What's good? How y'all doing?
Alright, let's get to it. The floor is yours.
Hey man, I just want to say, man, you've been absolutely great help to me, my family, and we absolutely grateful for the knowledge that you gave us. Man, you've drawn me and my boys so close and so tight together, man. It's amazing. It's a beautiful thing, man. One thing that I want to say is I absolutely want to let you know my heart, man. I'm proud of you for the things that you have accomplished, man. I also want to let you know from a brother to another brother, which is never heard, and I hope this is a moment where I can really set a trend to really let brothers come together the way we supposed to, man. I want to let you know I absolutely love you, man, because you really have done something that is absolutely courageous, and people like you need to be recognized for what you do and who you are. I want to say thank you, and that word, just thank you, is absolutely not enough, but you know what I'm saying, we know how far we're going to take that, and man, you really turned a lot of things around with this child support, man. I mean, avenues I went down, it cost me so much. It was a dread to me, man. I was depressed, stressed out. I was underweight by 100 pounds. Bro, like, I've been eating like crazy. I've been having appetites, man. Like, bro, you have really, really picked me back up, and I appreciate it. And I just want to say thank you, man.
Oh, anytime, my brother, anytime. How long have we been working together, brother, man? You.
Bro, man, I wish I could say we've been working together a while, but man, you really summed that up, man. I mean, it was like I blinked my eyes 3 times, and that was it, man. We started maybe a month ago. You gave me my assignment. I handled that, man. We made one initial. We only made one stop to the post office, bro. And 15 days later, not even 15, yeah, 15 days later, I got that letter, and yeah, my brother go put it out there. So facts on facts on facts on facts, bro. One thing about the truth, and one thing about your eyes, they don't lie. It's a fact.
Exactly, and I have it on the screen too, brother, right now as you talking. Because like you said, that when you hit me up, you was telling me that they suspended your driver's license and everything else. But now the document clearly states that they reinstated your license because they will no longer enforce the support order.
Bro, that's exactly what it was, man. I'm talking about, man. It was so. I mean, what we sent them was a lot of your knowledge, man. But man, when they sent a letter back, the packet was so thin. The mail was so the paper. It was one paper, and it was absolutely. I think my son could have wrote a better closure, but they kept it simple, and they just said, "Look, dude, we don't want no smoke."
Exactly, exactly, exactly. Because you asked me, when we started, you said, how long will it take for me to get free? I said, brother, each situation is different. I said, it all depends. But I said, what? If you don't fight, you don't win.
Bro, it's you. I'm gonna tell you this, man. I've always had that in my head, and I've always known that, man. I've had it rough in life, and I know to fight, and I know not to give up. Man, this is more confirmation. Boy, look here. If you knuckle up, man, you get up. That's the truth.
That's it. They gotta be willing to fight, brother. They gotta be willing to fight. I mean, you said it. I mean, they hearing it from you. Like I said, I like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to prove myself as well. And I'm just glad
Nah, bro,
everything
I
worked
gotta
out.
thank you. I gotta thank you for being so adamant and believing in yourself and in believing what you was capable of, because it was your endeavor that sparked and gave everybody else the closure that they need. So you know what I mean? Hey, man, it's all thanks to you, bro, and our Almighty.
Exactly,
That's
man.
it. That's it, man.
I give all glory and honor to the Most High Yah,
That's it.
for allowing these situations to come to pass. Like I said, it was Him that sent you to me. It wasn't me. It was just Him that sent you to me. It was Him that put you in the situation to come to me. What I mean? None of this is my doing, man. You know what I mean? I can't stress it enough. None of this is my doing. That's why I give all glory and honor to the Most High Yah. Like I said, when I was going through it, He appeared to me as well. And I received the remedy. So if He can appear to me and give me the remedy, He can appear to many others as well to give them that same remedy.
Hey, my brother, let me throw this out there. So we look at a lot of malarkey on Facebook, and you see all kind of challenges, and they challenge people to do some real ignorant stuff. You know what I mean? People think it's funny. So here's something right here that ain't funny, but I challenge all my brothers to stand up, stand tall, hold your head up, poke your chest out, and be a man. Stand in your square. Stand tall. You deserve it. Your family deserve it. Your boys, your children. You know what I mean? And at the same time, even though they think it's a battle that we fighting against them, hey man, every man is supposed to support his seed. But one thing I can say, even my children's mother, I want her to even stand up as a woman, stand tall as a woman. You know what I mean? Right beside us. Even though we don't get along together, we should still be able to come together for our seed. And I support my seed, and I still will support my ex. But at the same time, we all, men and women, got to stand up, man, and we got to stand tall. And this is a challenge I challenge everybody to do, is to stand on your own, stand tall. And this brother will help you stand tall, and we need that.
And that's the whole thing you was telling me, bro. He's like, man, I can't believe this is going down like this.
Man,
He's like, you was there for yours. You still there for yours right now. You talk to your children all the time. You're there for your children all the time. but yeah, and still someone would still try to do you the way that they're trying to do you. But like I
That's
told
right.
you, I said, brother, pick your head up. Don't let nothing get you down. Let's go and fighting. That's all we can do is fight and fight
Yep.
until you get what you want. Then you hit me over the break. While I was over my break. You said, brother, when you get back, hit me up. I got something for you. Like I can't believe this. I was like, what? You're like, yeah. I said, okay.
Yeah,
I said,
I was kind of leaving. I had to give you a little suspense, man. You know what I mean? That what made it more interesting. That way, it was
yeah,
cool though.
yeah. You got me because what I thought it was something bad at first. I'm like, oh man, what's about to go on? Nah, it's nothing bad. It's something good. I was like, oh, okay.
Nah, bro. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
good news, man.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Then I said, all right, well, I'm gonna hit you when I get back because like I said, I was trying to spend as much time with my kids as possible. And I know you do the same thing with yours.
that's right,
That's why you said, yeah, brother, just go hit me when you get back. We go over everything when you get back. I said, all right, cool. We'll do it like that.
bro. I'm telling you, man. Hey, when they say you got that monkey on your back, boy, they need to feel what I feel when that monkey come off your back. Thank you, brother.
Oh, you're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. Like I said, it's many more coming. You know what I mean? Like I tell people over and over and over again, everybody's situation is different. Some brothers have it easier than others. Some brothers have it harder than others. But we all can get the same results if we put our mind to it and never quit, no matter what's going on. There's no quitting.
There's no quitting, no quitting. Man, I'm telling you, bro. Man, bro, just a walking in the courthouse, doing what you asked him to do, bro. That ain't a place for nobody, bro. You understand me? It's just the feeling of those breaks, man. It ain't a place for nobody. So you know what I mean, man. Once you conquer that fear, man, you get over it, man, bro. Look, man, I tell any man out here right now, bro. Procrastination, bro. Do not procrastinate. Act now. Do what you stand on your own, bro. Get your life back, man. I'm telling you.
Exactly. And you were suspended since 2017, my brother.
217, bro.
And then we sent some documents off. They're no longer collecting. You got your license back, and everything is all good.
Yep. Man, it was so funny how the letter, man. It was so funny, man. It was so funny, man. 2017, we suspend your license because you didn't show up to court for a paternity test. Also, you never paid no support. Very next line, very next sentence.
We told
Your
you.
license can be reinstated immediately. Go to your nearest DMV. You can do this. Also, support order has been. We will not enforce anymore, bro. It was a simple letter that they sent, and they got straight to the point. We want no smoke.
I know you was laughing when you heard that.
Man, bro, I was here in my driveway. Something told me to go around and check my mailbox. Me and my worker, we was in the driveway prepping for the next day. I walk to the mailbox. I see that letter, bro. I stop in my tracks. I'm like, nah, I did not just read that. I walk back here. I tell my boy, I say, hey, look, man, I need you to stop and I need you to read. And he stopped and he read and he was like, oh shit. I said, you got it. And he said, no, bro. I was like, yes, you read what I just read. And man, we didn't even bother with work. We left everything out. It rained on my tools. It rained on my project. We left. We went out and had dinner. Me and my boy, we sat and talked. And man, I was just so eager to talk to you, but you was on VA, man.
Yeah, I was saying, man, but I told you when I get back, I'll hit you. So when I get back, I hit you. Then I hit you. So when I got back, he was like, brother, I thought I sent you this, but it was stuck in the outbox.
Yeah, I thought I sent you my that letter, man. And the whole time, I'm like, man, he didn't hit me back yet or nothing. So when you hit me on the phone, I looked and I as soon as I hit it, I was like, oh, there's a little clip, you know what I mean, like something in my box. So I looked on it, I was like, oh man, I ain't even send you the doggone document, and I sent it to you right then. And I was like, man, I was wondering why you hit me back.
Yeah, no, cause I never received the dream, brother.
Yeah.
But I said, no, he probably didn't send it yet, cause he know I was out with the fam and stuff like that. But I said I just hit him when I get back, cause you already know the situation was going on. So I said and that right there was out of respect, though. You know what I mean? I respect all that, brother. That that you allowed me the time to do what I needed to do. Like I said, I need time to clear my mind as well. Going through a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot,
bro.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Like it's like taking on everybody's burden all at once. You know what I mean? and trying to help as many people as possible. So you're gonna go through those things and those situations, but like I said, man, each one can fight, each one can get victory. We can all get remedy if we decide to make that fight.
All right, man. That's what's up, man. Hey, man. I just want to say it again, man. Hey, brothers out there, stand up, hold your head up, poke your chest out. You a man. You are a man. Stand up and own that.
And
My brother here, he understand. He battled. He went through it. Bro ain't telling you no second, third party information. Bro giving it to you straight out the books. So, hey, there's nothing more. If I can't convince you with what I'm saying right now today, I guess you got to live in that system, man. That's where you want to be at. But I advise you to stand up and hit my boy up.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. The documents should convince them alone, let alone with your testimony. You see what I mean? Because the truth is gonna be the truth, and can't nobody take that away from you.
Yep, you got that right, bro.
All right,
You the man. You the man. I appreciate you a lot, man. All blessings your way. And I always keep you in high spirit, man. I always speak highly of you. And, man, anybody come my way, man, if I reach them out to you, man, and I trust and I know for a fact, man, you go treat everybody the same, and you have already. So I got no doubts with you, man. I got nothing but, high expectations for you, man. And I see you soaring. Hey, I'm going to tell you, only eagles can fly at the altitude that you at. So don't be surprised that you don't see no other eagles, because only eagles can soar where you soaring right now, my brother. All right?
Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. All glory and honor to the Most High. Y'all, like I stated before, y'all heard it from him. You know, my brother, he been through it. You know, he fought. He stuck with it. He received the result that he desired. You know, like I said, he didn't fight. He didn't have to fight long, you know. Like I said, everybody's situation is different. And I just like to thank my brother for coming on here and giving his testimony, you know, and just expressing, you know, what he been through. And yeah, the fight was worth it in the long run.
It was absolutely worth it, bro. Absolutely.
All right, so with that being said, I ain't gonna hold you for so long, my brother. So I like to say shalom. If you need me for anything, you know, hit me up. I always been here, and I continue to be here for you, my brother.
I thank you, man. You have a good night, man.
All right, you too, my brother. Shalom, Art.